Just stopped at Electrify America. This place is called Firefly Grill. Charging up. Looks like I might change up my plans here. I was planning to get to Mark Twain National Forest, but I could definitely make it past that. So I started looking a little bit further, and it looks like Tulsa, Oklahoma City. But the problem with it is that tonight the low temperature is going to be 22 degrees. But if I take a different route, which is going to take an hour longer, it's going to take me down to like Memphis, Little Rock, but I found a town, it's called Texarkana, Texas, and tonight the low in Texarkana, Texas, let's just double check here, Texarkana, Texas is 41, so it's almost double the temperature as, say, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. It's gonna get down to 26. So that's just super, super cold. Last night it was 43 and I was freezing cold. So I'm thinking I might have to change it up and go to this Texarkana. All right, scrap that. Looks like we're still gonna be going. I'm just gonna deal with the cold. I was looking at it and it just seems like the extra hour, and then it's literally, I might even drive past that, and then I'm already getting to where I would be anyways, and it just doesn't make sense to lose an hour. So I got the Jackery. I'll just run the heated blanket all night. Not a big deal. Let's go. Mississippi, baby. Made it. Give you guys an update. Made it all the way through. Looks like Missouri. Gonna be entering Oklahoma, Kansas City border. Man, I've been driving and stopping. It's about every hour, 10 minutes. You have to get out, supercharge, stop for a half hour, charge, get going again. It's getting a little old doing that, but again, yesterday I had a ton of problems with the Ford Pass app, especially the navigation. Actually, at one point the screen crashed, which was unreal. Unreal. I don't even know what that. The screen literally just turned black for a while. Made it to Oklahoma. There she is. Just stopped into Walmart, got some gum, got some snacks, got some more beef jerky. Got a bunch of stuff. Got Windex, got mouthwash, got a lot of different things. Sanitation wipes. But as it stands right now, I can make another stop in Tulsa, Oklahoma, which is about 79 miles away, or I can try and make it all the way to Oklahoma City, which was 173 miles away. Currently at 88% charge. I'm getting a great rate here. I noticed that, I mean, when I pulled in, I was literally at like 5% battery, and it's only cost me $12, so I'm getting a great rate. And I'm trying to think, if I get to 100% battery, I should have around 200-mile range, and I should be able to get to Oklahoma City. I'll show you guys really quick. just want to show you guys what I'm seeing here on the chart. So basically here right now, I could charge in Tulsa, which is about 79, 80 miles away. This blue line is obviously my charge line, and it's been pretty accurate since I've been going here, especially if I only go like 5 over the speed limit, which I'll probably do. And it's crazy, there's another Mach E that's been following me, but you guys could see 89% battery, 153 miles. Hopefully another 10% will give me another 20 miles, but regardless, I'm getting a good rate. The charger is like right here. So hopefully another 10% will get me past here. We'll see. Almost to Texas. This is the second Oklahoma City we're going to be coming up on. Hey, good morning everyone. Spent the night at this Walmart. Currently Ardmore or something, I don't know, but 30 degrees. It is absolutely freezing last night. I had to use my heated blanket all night. Jackery has about 70% battery. But yeah, I mean, I basically just crashed in this Walmart here. You guys can maybe see out there a little bit of dew on the windshield, but it was a rough night, not gonna lie. On our way to Big Bend.